So court granted bail with two sureties of the like amount of 20,000 each. Now he cannot travel abroad. He cannot commit similar offence if any. And there are other conditions that he cannot be intimidating the witnesses and all those things. Notice should have been issued to the accused before arresting because the offence had happened in 2023. And therefore there was no urgent pressing need for the police to arrest them now at this stage. It could have been issued a notice and interrogated, and if need be then arrested. But today you have the phone, you have everything, so putting and keeping him in the custody doesn't make sense. There are cases that they have on telephonic conversation or whatever used that technology. The same technology provides to send a notice as well. It is nobody's case that his phone was off. It is nobody's case that if a notice is sent to him, that it would not be received. You have to do your job. That is the law. If the law provides for doing a thing in a particular manner, it has to be done in that manner or not at all. See, we are innocent. It is the video is not available with anybody. Video is not available with anybody, so we cannot make a comment. And moreover, my client is absolutely innocent.